Hi everyone, welcome to Best Laid Plans. This week's video is going to be a plan with me / decorate with me. I am not sure if I'm going to be doing my after the pen for this week just yet because I'm filming this in advance. So hopefully by the time it's done, I'll also have some after the pen to share if I'm able. But for the most part, we're going to just go through the decoration. So this is going to be my 3 planner spreads for the week of Halloween for this year. I went ahead and I pulled my Skinny Classic, my Classic Horizontal, and my Classic Vertical for these. And I pulled some stickers, and I'm going to be using mostly non-Happy Planner stickers. I will be using Happy Planner Washi. So this is from the Numis Maker set. And then I have some die cuts and this really cute Potions class themed box set from Planning with Jazz. I will leave their Etsy shop link and their Instagram in the description box in case you want to purchase this for yourself or any of their other wonderful designs. But I have those, and then I also pulled these Gibson Girl Witches and Magic Wands from STICKII Club that I got in my vintage pack. So I have those all here. And what I like to do with kits is usually just spread them between my spreads so I don't have to pull a lot of extra stuff. I can really just use everything for all 3 spreads, so they're kind of similar, and I think that also looks nice on my Instagram. That's not why I do it. I do it because it's simpler, easier, and takes less time. I also pulled, just in case I wanted to have some other stickers, the fall book from this previous year, because I still have lots of stickers left from this, and it has some good Halloween stickers and some good box stickers and things like that. So I have that as well. The first thing I'm going to do is to apply the washi tape. And I'm going to do this off camera so that this video isn't too long. But I have, for this one, I'm going to have this washi that's thick here on the top, and then I'm going to have this washi here on the bottom. And I'll probably put the washi on the Skinny Classic. I'll do the Skinny washi going through here, and then have the thick washi down here. And for the Classic Horizontal spread, I am going to have this washi for these, and again having the thicker washi down here covering this notes area. So I'm going to go ahead and use my cutter to apply the washi to all 3 spreads, and then we will move into our checklist and decoration. All right, I am back and the washi tape is done. So I am through with those, and what I am doing now is just sort of looking at my stickers and deciding where I want to place my largest ones. I'm going to be using my witch stickers here on my main layout, so I also chose a couple of the die cuts that I purchased as well that sort of go with that. So I'm just putting these aside, as well as the checklist boxes from the kit that she made, Planning with Jazz, that is. So what I want to do now is focus on these 2 horizontal layouts. And I think what I'm going to do is have my biggest die cut here. By the way, is this not the most adorable thing ever? Makes my little Slytherin heart happy. And there's nothing wrong with ambition, ladies. So I am going to just be using my regular glue stick to adhere all of these. And I want to get the gluing out of the way for these, just because the other stickers are repositionable, but the die cuts obviously it won't be. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this down here, and then I will glue the other die cuts in this set onto the Skinny Classic. All right, so I am putting aside these two for now, and I'm gonna now focus on the, I've got dogs going crazy in the other room, apologies. I'm gonna focus on the main, which is my classic vertical spread. I did go ahead and I glued down these last three die cuts from Planning with Jazz, and I have those situated where I want them. So I'm going to now look at my kind of functional stickers from her kit, and I want to go ahead and take this one that says weekend first. So I'm going to go through now and just add the checklist boxes where they need to go, as well as any of these functional stickers. I'm going to save these last couple checklists for my social media planner, so I'm just going to set them aside and just use these icons for important stuff. All right, so I've got my checklist boxes and all of that down, and now the fun part, which is getting to use my decorative stickers. So I think I'm going to start with this one here. And these are kind of like a washi consistency, I guess I would call them. So the last few stickers I added were just these bats that were on that same sticker sheet, which I sort of sprinkled throughout, kind of flying around on my little witches. And the next thing I want to do is kind of finish off the decorative stickers on this with some of these wands, and I'm also going to be using these wands on my Skinny Classic. I mean, not my Skinny Classic, on my classic horizontal. And then lastly for this, I'm going to add these box stickers from Planning with Jazz's Potion Class kit. And here we have all the stickers in place now on our classic horizontal spread. And I'm going to go into my fall sticker book and just grab a couple of stickers for Halloween. So I'm really happy now with the before the pens for the main spread and for my social media planner. And now I'm gonna just finish up the Skinny Classic with the rest of what I have left from my kit. And here we have the 3 finished spreads all ready to be filled out. I did dip into some of my other sticker books just to get the Halloween here, and I added the little Halloween fun here. But for the most part, I think that these are all from that kit from Planning with Jazz and the sticker sheets that I got from STICKII Club. So I am really, really happy with how this turned out. I love my vintage Slytherin ladies, and I will be just going through and filling these out. So hopefully I can share some of the after the pen with you if I don't have anything too private or personal. So I will cut to that now if I have those done, and then I will have more videos coming soon. We have a DIY on the way, and a lot of holiday stuff coming in November. So stay tuned, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.